This is the multi-cleaning tool. It says here, multi-cleaning pen, sorry. It comes in a box, and this is the only instruction that comes with it. What each side does, and this small writing just here. You'll have there's a picture of the small writing. I don't know if it'll actually. There we go. Right, now, when you first open it, if I can, it's quite firm to open. You get this flocked wand. Now, there's, I suppose, plastic right up until this part here. You can see I've used it, but it's actually worn through on the first use. But, because I cleaned this, I get the dust out. I did this. So it cleans all that area there, and it can clean these if it's just a little dusty, right? And the other part of the tool is, I thought it come out of this part here, but it doesn't. You just see this little thing here. You put your nail on it and pull it out. And here's the other end. Now it doesn't fit back into here. Oh, yes, it does. As a pen holder. It didn't before. It does now. Maybe I've pushed it that far. Right, now you can get to the areas where it needs cleaning, which is just here, these particular areas. Just give them a quick squeeze and then brush them over with the other side. Or there's this firm bristle just here. You can see nice firm bristles. You just give it a scrub, a spruce up with that, and also with the bottom of your iPhone. You can put the brush bits in there, and also there. If there's any stubborn areas, this is thin enough to fit into the holes here, and just give it a little twist. Obviously not pushing in, just to get any dust out. And oh, there's a bit of dust in there. And then again, this will help get the dust out of here. Just to give it a quick clean up there. So all in all, this is quite a good idea. It's just not very good on this flock bit, because it's actually just given way straight away. It's got a hole in it now. But it's a good idea to have to clean up your buds and your phone. There you go.